And hello guys, I'm gonna show you the area of the circle, how to find the area of every circle. So yeah, first that's a circle, and every circle has a center. The first is every circle has a center. Let's say that's gonna be our center O, and every circle has unlimited radiuses and diameters. So that's gonna be one diameter. Moment. So yeah, every diameter passes through the center of the circle and touches two of the points of the circumference. Like that. Yeah. That is one diameter. Let's say it's AB, probably. So AB is one diameter, like D. Okay, but every circle has also an radius, and every radius is 1/2 of diameter. So every diameter is 2 radius. So how we see the radiuses are AO is equal to OB is equal to 1/2 AB because they're radiuses. So yeah, there are unlimited radiuses and limited diameters which we can make. So yeah, literally that can no moment. Yeah. Why it's just moment. So yeah, AO is also radius, OB is also radius, AB is diameter, and yeah, okay, let's just make it like that. So yeah, okay, so what I'm gonna show you the formula for area for every circle. So the area is, I'm gonna name it as S is gonna be our area, is P is x squared, px squared. So that's our formula. But what is P? P is a constant which is very important for circle area, because P is a constant which is approximately, yeah, it's not equal, it's approximately 3.14, which is approximately 22/7. Yeah. So yeah, we use P for finding the area of the circle. So yeah, that's our formula, px squared, where the r is area, is the radius. Okay, let's start. We're gonna solve 5 problems. Yeah, 5. Okay, so the first problem is to find the area of this circle. So that is pretty easy because we know that is the radius, because it's here. Radius is 17 centimeters. So the area is px squared, which is p 17 square, which is 289 p. Yeah, so that's our answer. Yeah, we can calculate how much is 289 times 3.14 or 289 times 22/7, but we don't need it now. We can got it like this with P. Yeah, so the second problem, yeah, it's also centimeter square because the radius is 17 centimeter. Yeah, so the second problem is to find the area of the shaded region, the shaded circle, yeah. So what we got that's 17. So the radius of the we have a small circle and big circle. So the small circle, radius of the small circle, let's say it's R1, it's 17 centimeters, and R2 is 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters is the radius of the big circle. So yeah, that's 17. So we wanna so yeah, So actually the area of the shaded region is, so yeah, the area of the purple color is when we make the area of the big circle minus the area of the small circle. So let's say S1 is the area of the small circle, which is P R1 square, which is P again 17, yeah, it's 17 square, which is 289 P centimeter square. Yep. The second is S2 is P R2 square, yep, which is P 25 square, or 625 P centimeter square. Yep. So the area we found, so yes, let's say it's S is equal to S2 minus S1, which is 625P minus 289P. Yep, which is 6, 3 and 3. Okay, it's 336 P centimeter square. So yeah, that's our answer. So yep, let's go to the third problem. Yeah, yep, so that's gonna be our third problem. Let's be like, no, let's, yep, and move it here. Okay, so we wanna again calculate the area of the shaded region. So what we see? We see that that is gonna be S1. That is the half square with diameter 14 centimeters. And we have also a bigger half circle and two a little half circles which are white, which we need to subtract. Okay, so let's do it. So let's call this is S2, S3. Let's put it here because to see the radius, S3. So that's, yeah, so and the O half square, half circle, that circle is gonna be the O. Okay, let's just that's gonna be S4. S4 is gonna be the shaded region, the second shaded region, and S5 is gonna be O, the O thing. So S5 is gonna be like S4 plus S2 plus S3. So S5 is the second half circle, and yeah, so we need to find how much is S1 plus S4 because we need to shade it again. Okay, let's move just this down because it's not needed now. Yep, so S1, so the radius of S1, let's say it's R1, is 14 divided by 2 because that is diameter. Yeah, it's 7 and every radius is 1/2 of diameter. So the area of the half circle, that is half circle, so it's gonna be 1/2 P R1 square. Yep, which is 1/2 P pi 7 square, which is 1/2 pi 49. Yep, 49, which is 24.5 pi centimeter square. Yep, so we know S1, so we need to calculate S4, but we know that S5 is again a half circle with radius S5 radius is equal to how much? Like you see, that is 14 plus 7 plus 7, which is 28, divided by 2 is 14, so the radius is 14. It's 14. So S5 is 1/2, because it's a half circle again, P 14 square, which is, we can move 1/2 to the one of the 14, so it's pi 7 times 14, which is 98 pi centimeter square. Yep. So yeah, S5 is that. So we know we want again S4. We can we can look that S2 plus S3 is going a full circle, because every of them is a half circle with the same diameter. So it's gonna be a full circle with diameter 7. So let's just we're gonna move that for later. So yeah, it's 98 p. That's S5. So S2 plus S3 is going to be P, to say R2 square, which is P, and R2 is 7 divided by 2, which is 7 over 2 square, which is 49 over 4 pi centimeter square. Yep. So how we know S4 is gonna be S5 minus S2 plus S3, how I see it, is, which is 98p and 98p minus, which that is gonna be 12.25p pi minus 12.25p, which is how much is this? That is 85 times 75 pi. It says 4. Okay, I didn't expect that's gonna be so much calculations, so we need to find that S1 plus S4. So S1 is that, yep, and S4 is that. So S1 plus S4 is equal to 20, no, moment, let's check it again. It's 24.5p plus 85 times 75 pi, which is 109, no, it's 110, yeah, 0.25p. So that's our answer. Yep. Okay, so let's going on from to our third problem. Yep, that's gonna be our third, no, it's fourth problem. So that's actually pretty easy. That's a lot easier than the previous one, probably, because we need to find the area of the shaded region, which now that's gonna be 150 degrees, because the O is gonna be 360 degrees, because every circle has 360 degrees. So yeah, that's the area. Let's say that everything is S, everything, and we search S1. So S1 is 210 over 360 times S, which is 7 over 12 times S. And we're gonna find S, which is, we know that S is 18, that's 18. So radius is 18, so it's P 18 square, which is 324 pi P. Yep, so S1 is 7 over 12 times 325 pi P. Pi, yeah, P is, that is, okay, let's divide by this by 2, 7 over 6 times 150 and 62 pi. Yeah, we can again divide by 2, which is 7 over 3 times 81 p. Oh, we can divide by 3. So one moment, we can divide by 3, which is 7 times 27 pi, which is 189 pi. So yeah, that's our answer. So there, yeah, we got to the final problem, which is the 5th problem, which is probably the hardest, because yeah, we need to find the area of the red region. So how to find it? So how to find it? We can divide this into 2 pieces. Divide the red figure into 2 pieces. We're gonna divide it like that, because what we got, the first, let's gonna be S1, that's gonna be S1. So let's first find S1, and that's gonna be S2 to say. We find how much is S1 plus S2. What is gonna be this? So S1 is 1/2, because it's again half square, and how much? That is a radius. Yeah, that's a radius, so radius is 1, 2, 3, is 3. So it's 1/2 times P times 3 square, which is 4.5 P. That, yep. And S2, yeah, S2 is a little more difficult, because we need to add these pieces, S3 and S4. And how we know that S2 plus S3 plus S4, so yeah, these three pieces are making a rectangle with sides 3, because 1, 2, 3, and this 6, which is 3 times 6, because that's the area of the rectangle, which is 18. So we can find S3 plus S4, because both of them are a quarter circle with the same radius, so they make a half circle, so it's 1/2 times P times and the area is 3, so it's again 3 square, which is 4.5 P. So S2, how I say it, is 18 minus that, so it's, yeah, look, 18 minus that, minus S2 plus S3 plus S4, sorry, which is 18 minus 4.5 P. So what we look S1 plus S2, so we got that S1 is 4.5 P, 4.5 P plus S2, which is that, so it's plus 18 minus 4.5 P, and what we got, we can remove this 4.5 P because they are the same, yeah, this, and we got 18, so that's our final answer. So yeah guys, bye.